I am from GoGrass Maths Hub. Today I am going to discuss question number 9 that has been taken from exercise 5.3, chapter 5, continuity and differentiability. The question is, find dy over dx of the function y is equal to sine inverse in bracket 2x over 1 plus x square bracket close dot. This is the question about which I am going to discuss here. Here I shall write solution. Solution implies that given that y equal to sine inverse in bracket 2x plus 1 plus x square. Here I shall write, you might have remembered the formula, basis of this identity 2x over 1 plus x square. Formula is sine 2 theta equal to 2 tan theta whole over 1 plus tan square theta. Just I shall do the proving of this formula also. Here I can write, let RHS equal to 2 tan theta whole over 1 plus tan square theta comes out to be 2 tan theta can be written as 2 sin theta over cos theta whole over 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. It will become 2 dot sin theta over cos theta. This sec square theta here is there in numerator, not in numerator. This sec square theta is there in denominator. That will move back to numerator. It will become cos square theta. Here you will get 2 dot sin theta over cos theta dot cos theta dot cos theta. This cos theta will be cancelled out. We'll get here 2 sin theta dot cos theta comes out to be sin 2 theta. This thing you have got equal to LHS, left hand side. This is right hand side, this is left hand side. Right hand side I have taken 2 tan theta over 1 plus tan square theta. From the right hand side we have got sin 2 theta. Here you can see sin 2 theta LHS. In this way I have proved sin 2 theta equal to 2 tan theta over 1 plus tan square theta. So here I shall write, imply that y equal to sin inverse in bracket 2x plus 2x over 1 plus x square. So here I say let x is equal to tan theta, imply that theta is equal to tan inverse x it will become. So here in place of x I shall write tan theta. So it will become imply that y is equal to sin inverse. In place of x I shall write tan theta. It will become 2 tan theta whole over 1 plus, in place of x I shall write tan theta, tan square theta it will become. Again imply that y is equal to sin inverse in bracket. Use the formula sin 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta over 1 plus tan square theta. So in place of 2 tan theta over 1 plus tan square theta, I can write sin 2 theta. Here write sin 2 theta. You will get here y equal to sin square sin 2 theta. You will get here y equal to 2 theta. Because sin inverse sin both will be considered, I will get here 2 theta. Here I shall write y equal to 2. In place of theta I shall write tan inverse x. So here write tan inverse x. Now again differentiating with respect to x, you will get here d over dx y equal to 2 will be in bracket d over dx tan inverse x. You will get here imply that d will be conjugated to y. It will become dy over dx equal to 2 d over dx tan inverse x comes out to be 1 over 1 plus x square. This is the formula d over dx tan inverse x is equal to 1 over 1 plus x square. This is the formula d over dx tan inverse x is equal to 1 over 1 plus x square. This formula must be used here. Okay guys, thanks. The correct answer will be dy over dx equal to 2 over 1 plus x square.